Alright, so what I'm using for this repair here, this is a coupler. This is a reducer. I got this one at Napa, and this is going to make this repair really easy. So you just got to measure your pipe diameter and check them out and find the right one that's going to work for you. So let me just show you how this works. So this particular one, this is 2 1/4 inch, goes right on there. And then this side slips right into here. So what I'm going to do, grab this in first. Slide that up into there. And you can see, after I cut that with the scissors real nice, slides right into there, slides over here. Just going to use a standard pipe clamp on there, a muffler clamp, and it'll cinch that down. And then I'm going to tack weld around here, weld this up real nice, get that straight like that. And that's pretty much it. And it's all fixed. Just saved myself a new muffler. Pretty expensive repair. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got any questions. This is just these couplers are about $5 at Napa, so it's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a whole new muffler. And for this vehicle, it's just a plow truck, so I'm not too concerned if there's a couple leaks or anything. It's already got a couple holes in the muffler, but just as long as it doesn't sound like a motorcycle, I'm pretty happy. So anyways, thanks for watching.